Hi, in this short video, I will show you how to use the Slanted Cretan Stitch to make a real quick snowflake. I'm using 6 strands of my embroidery floss. The Slanted Cretan Stitch is worked as it is to make the arms. I'm working this snowflake with a cream colored thread, so I feel adding blue sequins to the tips of each arm would look nice. So I'm going to secure the sequins using French knots. You can use beads instead of sequins, or you can also stitch beads on the sides of the Slanted Cretan stitch. Make sure that your sequin or the bead you're going to use has a small hole and the French knot can hold it down. To finish the snowflake, I'm adding a big bead at the center. And that's it. I'm done with this super easy snowflake.